What's up, guys? Midwest Best Fishing here. I'm literally just making some jigs right now. Jigs that I normally use. I'm super gluing my Bobby Garland 2-inch plastics to my 1/16 ounce Bass Pro Shop jig heads. White, red, and black dot. You know what I'm saying? All I'm doing is I'm gonna put glue right, and I just started, and I'm gonna stop. I've got some Loctite super glue. You're gonna hit the first part right here with the glue, and then I put some around the eye right here. And as you can see, I got the glue on there.